Shop YouTube channel. Oh, once again, we are working on this thing. Don't think it's anything too crazy. Out riding the other day, it overheated, had to get a new cooling fan for it. So we're going to go ahead and get that slapped on this. Well, I should probably plug it in and make sure everything works through there before we get too far into this. But I think it still runs. I've done some more work to it. It runs a bit better now. See, it's happy. It still runs. I didn't kill it yet, again. But I can test this by plugging it in down here. I know, I should have another camera set up right now. I'm on a PTO day, so nobody else is home. And I only have one phone, so... but, anyway. I have this plugged in. I have the temp sensor on the engine unplugged. Unplugging that should trip that to turn on. So I should just have to turn the key on and it should engage the fan. There we go. Which confirms that the fan's just dead. I shouldn't pull on that. That actually connected. My hip is still sore. How did I get this off? Oh, it's right there. There's a little tab. Boink. So the issue now is we have to get to the radiator. Here to here. Under the fenders. Not bolted. I wonder if I can just pick these guys up. Do that. Try to lift. I doubt I put those guys. Nope, there's a bolt there. So I got a bolt going in this way into the rack. Got one into the plastics here. Same on this side. Just go slow. Don't hurt yourself. It's a good start. One bolt on top of the tire so I can run it over later. I need a 12 millimetric. I don't have a 12 millimetric down here, do I? 12. Oh, knee crack. Unplug your headlights. I need to weld that up. Where is that little fan? Oh, wow, that one's seized. Okay, well, that's interesting. What am I pivoting on? Because all I need to do is get this bolt out here, this one out here. Assuming I'm down probably center. Where did I put my electric? Where did I put my... These little guys are great for these little plastic clips on the side of the radiator fan. Other side and bottom off. the protector. Let's get some hoses off and don't fall. It wasn't so bad yesterday. Well, never ever heated to the point to lose all its water, so that's good. Few flow hose off. There we go. Then pull up, set aside. I need an ugga-dugga, little ugga-dugga. Little ugga-dugga obtained. Old fan unplugged. Goodbye, bolt. Radiator back in place. Whew. Fan wasn't really. There wasn't really much of a fan. I was making noises last year, so I'm not surprised. It is a 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 7 or 8. So give me a moment. I'm gonna go be in pain for a second, but I will be right back. Well, I got it assembled. Well, hold on. Get in front of the camera here first. I got it assembled, but it's ungodly stiff. Like, so we're gonna hook it up, test it again, make sure I didn't just somehow manage to kill something. I probably did. That's how we roll. Let's test before we put it together. Key better be off, or this is gonna be surprising. We're just gonna hold on to him. Houston, we got a problem. It doesn't look like it grounds to anything other than itself. I missed the spacer. It spins pretty freely now. I gotta go get my washer. It didn't come with instructions, okay? The other one was different. It's not my fault. The other one had a hose on it too. This one's not vented. Go ahead, yell at me about it. Between me and you, though, you can say whatever you want. I don't care. Spacer! That's not very secure, but theoretically it should fix the issue it's having, so I don't care. I will care if it hits the radiator, which it might. That. Holy shit! Alright, hold on tight. We're going to go for a wobble. Pretty nice fan, though. I am going to have to put spacers on it probably, though. Yeah. Yes, I am using it. Yep, right against the fins like I expected. I do not recommend that fan. I will not put a link for it below. Alright. Got a little handful of washers here. These are going to act as our spacers for the cooling fan because it's probably at least two out if I had to guess. So we'll just get everything spaced 2 away. As long as the bolts are long enough. Yeah. Hopefully that'll be enough to kill off any rubbing. That's an 8. Got to swap the socket. That's in my back pocket. This is an awkward situation. My finger. There's the other. Oh, I just lost one. These pants are too tight. I've gained too much weight. Smaller socket, tighter pocket. Well, considering that's not the orientation I should have done that in. Yes, it is. I lied. Kinda. Chicken's not happy. Now I got that. It's coming along nicely. No. Oh, so close. I lost a bolt. It'll work though. I'm to at least need 3. Whoa, we're almost there. One more spacer and we'll stop scraping. That's one of those, but should be pulling air now. Not rubbing through either. Cool. Back together we go. Oh. We'll have to add some water to it, but don't want the radiator flopping everywhere, 'cause that wouldn't be cool. Ah! Cross-threaded's tight, right? That wasn't actually cross-threaded. This one might be, though. Nope. We were allowed mild victory. Air temp. That one's tight. That one's tight. Screwdriver I should be done with. Got gas levels low enough. It doesn't matter. We're going back together. I'll plug the headlights in later. Guy, and up to there. You go into that. You flip there. Cause, oh, knee crack. I said I'm gonna plug the headlights in later. Now should be later. 'Cause I'm not gonna remember from here where that wire went. Where did it go? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. There it is. Almost back together though. Not horrible. To do a cooling fan on one of these. I mean, I'm also missing half the bolts, I guess, too. So that does change things a smidge. It's all good though. They just be extra floppy right now. Alright. This whole thing's bent too, so it doesn't always go together easily. There we go. One side's down, one side's up. Push down, pull up. So we got that. I need my ratchet. I need to check the oil too. Oh, we're getting there, we're getting there. We are still good. On oil, that is. Probably not much of anything else at this point, but oil we are good on. Those two. Good enough for now? Yeah, it's fine for now. I'm too sore. I'll put more bolts in it later. I need a break. And put water in it. We should go put water in it, shouldn't we? There we go. Forgot to plug in the temp sensor like I was saying I wasn't going to forget to do.